What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Pristine Auto Clean YouTube channel, and we have our 2017 Silverado behind us. We've got a couple more lighting upgrades we're going to do to it. Gen 5 DIY harness, and stay tuned. We're going to be doing a rapid blink harness for the third brake light. This was from Gen 5 DIY, and no resistors or anything needed, simple plug and play. So it's just a really simple install. It's just two T20 screws. Screws out, wiggle this back and forth. You might need to get a clip tool out and kind of pry this back. And it's super easy install. We just plug the male into the female on the third brake light, tuck this out of the way, and plug in our female from the Gen 5 DIY connector. It's kind of difficult to do with one hand. And we're going to grab a zip tie just so this doesn't bounce around and make some noise. Snake this behind the headliner, and always inspect the seal. Anytime you do take this off, this truck's relatively new, nothing to worry about. But if it does leak, you can use butyl tape, which is you can probably get it at Napa, and I can seal up this thing if it does leak. Two firm pushes, reinstall our T20 screws. We'll throw a little C15 in there. Yeah, you don't have to go crazy tight on these things, guys. Solid. When you hit the brakes, it blinks 3 times and then stays solid. A little safety feature. A lot of ambulances and emergency vehicles have them.
Oh my God! Wow!
And there you have it, guys. Quick, simple, easy install. Shout out to Gen 5 DIY for this simple harness and resistors. Just literally plug and play. Get the rapid blink third brake light out of it, and it looks good. And anything you guys want to see on the videos, just let us know. drop a comment, and like, comment, share, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.